Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you all the cheapest food market in Lagos. Yes, you heard me right. I will be taking you guys to the very popular My 12 market in Lagos. This market is situated along the Ikorodu-Ketu road, and it is very accessible from any part of Lagos that you are. It is a very big market where you can find every food stuff, from vegetables to tubers, just name it, melon, every food stuff that you can think of. They are brought down to this market directly from the north with these large trailers that bring this food and farmers from the north into this market in Lagos. This is the hub for food stuff, guys. If you want to buy food stuff in bulk, if you want to buy food stuff cheap, this is the market to be. I came to this market very early in the morning because I wanted to score the best bargains. As you can see, the outside of the market looks a bit scanty. In this market, you will find malams that usually carry these crates on their back. Please avoid them because they are already very stressed carrying this load and they could just hit you at any time. You will get fresh vegetables, guys, very fresh in bulk, and you buy them at ridiculous amounts. From fresh tomatoes directly from the north. You get to buy them from the farmers or from those that they have already sold to.
4,000.
I personally like to come to this market a lot because I also do bulk market shopping for clients on my business page on Instagram, and also you get to buy the freshest of ingredients, the freshest of food. Now the market is a little bit messy, so when you're coming, do well to wear like shorts if you can, or a jean, and as well get some boots so that you do not slip and fall at any point. Mind you, in this market, the people that are going to be attending to you are the Hausa-speaking people of Nigeria. These are the major people you are going to find in this market. They speak English, so you don't necessarily need anybody to translate for you. I did a whole lot of buying this time that I went to this market, and I enjoyed every bit of it. In this market, you will find things from tomatoes brought in large numbers, in large quantity, guys. It's not like, even if you want to cook for a party, you will get all the ingredients, all the tomatoes that you need to cook for 1,000 people in this market. You will also find lots of green peppers, carrots, cucumbers, watermelons, just name it, you will get them to buy. You can select yourself. As you can see me doing here, I was selecting the carrots that I wanted myself, selected them, and then you pay. Sometimes they have to weigh it in kgs to know how many kgs it's worth and then price it, and you get to also bargain with them. That is the part I love the most about this market. I was buying sweet potatoes, and at the time when they were packing it, I asked them to add to my sweet potatoes. Like, they just had to add fisi for me. If you're in Nigeria and you know what fisi means, right? When you buy something and they just add like 1 or 2 like extra bonus for you.
You know what put fisi for me? You don't like my face?
I totally had fun going to this market. You would find any kind of vegetable, any kind of fruit, any kind of tuber that you want right in this market, and you will enjoy shopping directly from the farmers here in this market. Be careful because it's a little bit slippery. Although the market is easily accessible, inside the market is usually muddy because of these trucks that come directly from the north. Also, you will get a whole range of spices. I'm talking fresh organic spices for your pepper soup, for your zobo drink, whatever spices that you need, you will get them to buy directly from the farmers, and this is so amazing. Trust me guys, nothing beats buying food in bulk or even buying it at cheap prices. Food stuff is extremely expensive in Nigeria at this time, and this is the best time to go to these markets and buy your food stuff cheap and fresh. The best times to go to this market for me will be very early in the morning. Get there as early as possible so you buy directly from the farmers or those that brought in the foodstuffs themselves, and you will get the best bargains. So I advise you go in the morning. Another thing is, once you're done shopping, you have these people that will carry your load in a wheelbarrow like this for you and bring it down to maybe where you park your car, or where you can get the normal Lagos yellow buses to take you to your bus stop or wherever it is that you're going within Lagos. This market is easily accessible. It is where you can get the cheapest food and where you would enjoy shopping. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe and let me know in the comment section if you have ever been to my 12 markets. So a few of the things that I got from